Namaste. A very, very enlightening, a very, very beautiful case study coming from the Akashic Wisdom. Now, last to last week, I got a case study. I got a client who said that, ma'am, I'm going through a very difficult phase. मुझे इस फेज में कोई रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा है, बस उन्होंने इतना ही बताया था. Now, when I digged into the case study, when I digged into the Akashic field, the circumstances that came was that this person, this girl who, was going through a relationship karma, जहाँ पर she was a very young widow. She was around 18 when she got widow, and her father-in-law did not allow her to remarry, and in fact she was living a life where she had to live according to the father-in-law. Now this lifetime, interestingly, when I told her the circumstances of what happened in her past life, she interestingly, after listening to me, she said, ma'am, this is exactly what is happening with me right now. In my current situation, my husband is paralyzed. I am running a business with my father-in-law, and I'm not allowed to take decisions. I'm not allowed to do anything. Whatever my father-in-law tells me, I have to do, that I have to act accordingly. और मैं इस loop से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रही हूँ. And why am I going through the same circumstances? What has happened in my past? मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया. Now we need to understand this is a mirror life. Now mirror life is जब आप अपनी वही जिंदगी जी रहे हैं जो आपके साथ पास्ट में हुई है. The reason is that you still have not learned the lesson. You still have not learned the lesson of taking a stand and taking control of your own life. यहाँ पर कर्मा जो क्रिएट हुआ है वो कर्मा आपके साथ है, जिसको हम सेल्फ कर्मा कहते हैं. When you are not taking a stand for yourself, when you are dependent on others, आपने अपनी जिंदगी की जो भाग दौड़ है, जिंदगी की जो चाबी है किसी और के हाथ में दी हुई है, and you have not taken a control on your own self. So till the time she does not learn this lesson, she will not be able to come out of that loop. So if you have any questions related to it, do message us or do tell us.